Welcome to this video on the Agent Portal website. This video will provide details on how to add a YouTube video to your Agent Portal website using the IFrame widget. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to use the IFrame widget in your Portal Agent website for a YouTube video by adding the widget to your website, getting the code for a YouTube video, putting the code into the widget, and resizing the widget. You will now watch demonstrations of how to add a YouTube video to an IFrame widget on your Portal website. Begin by logging into the edit mode of your Portal website. If needed, please review the video on logging onto your Portal website's edit mode. To add a YouTube video, click the Add Widgets button in the upper left-hand corner of your Agent Portal website. The Add Widgets window will open. Click the IFrame link in the window. The IFrame widget will be added to your Portal website at the top of the left column. Click the green edit icon on the top right of the widget. This will open the IFrame widget for editing. Delete the URL address in the URL field at the top of the widget. You now need to go to the location of the URL you want to copy. For this example, we will copy a YouTube video. Once you have located the YouTube video you want to put on your website, click the Share button beneath the YouTube video screen at the center of the page. This will open menu options beneath the YouTube video screen. Now click the Embed button beneath the YouTube video screen at the center of the page. This will open and display the highlighted code you need to copy for the YouTube video. If the code isn't highlighted, you need to highlight this code. Place your cursor on the code and right-click your mouse. A drop-down menu will open. Scroll down to the Copy option on the menu, and left-click your mouse. This will copy the code. You now need to go to your IFrame widget to paste this code into it. Put your cursor in the blank URL field. Right-click your mouse to open the menu. Scroll down and left-click Paste to copy the code into the field. The URL code will now appear in the field. You now need to remove all of the code before and after the exclamation marks. Once the excess code is removed from the field, you should have something that looks like this example. Another option to obtain the correct code without having to remove the excess code from the field is to copy the URL code from the YouTube page and paste the code into the body of a new email. Open a new email page and paste the code into the body of this email. Once the code has been pasted, send the email to yourself. When you receive the email and open it, the code that you need to copy will be highlighted as a link in the email. Just copy the highlighted URL code and paste this URL code in the URL field on the IFrame widget. No further changes need to be done to the code. Once the URL has been entered, click the Save button. The YouTube video will now display in the lower part of the IFrame widget. Click the blue Collapse button in the upper right-hand corner of the IFrame widget to close the widget. Your widget will close and display the video you copied. You may want to move the widget to the center column of your Portal site. Drag and drop the widget to the center column. If you need more instructions on using widgets, view the training video on widgets, add, move, and modify on the cafe. Once you move the widget, it will become whiter, but the height of the widget will not change. There may be a lot of black space on either side of the video, or the video may be cut off vertically depending on the video's intended dimensions. You will probably need to change the height of the widget so less of the black space displays, or for the video to display larger in the window. Start by opening the widget again by clicking the green icon in the upper right-hand corner of the widget. The widget will open and display several fields. Go to the height field and change the number in that field from 200 to 300, for this example. Once the number has been changed, click the Save button beneath the field. The widget will close and display the YouTube video in a size better suited for the widget location. You may need to further adjust the height setting depending on where you want to place the YouTube video on your page. If you would like to change the title on the widget, click the iframe title at the top of the widget. This will open that field. Delete the existing title and enter the new title. Now click the OK button to save the new title. Once you have finished editing your iframe widget, you can sign out of your portal website by clicking the Sign Out link in the upper right-hand corner of the page. This concludes this presentation on adding a YouTube video to your iframe widget on your portal website. Additional training videos on this and other topics are on the Long and Foster Cafe. We thank you for viewing this video.